2 of Asante Kotoko Preseason. Day 2 of we a footballer na ya do ya e preseason as we ni je ne say ya condition we ni ya kira ball say do bi yabo ni you shouldn't have a problem with it. Enti owura no e ya adwuma na bi panyin. Nice one. And now no pay no nsia e bo pa o si maduasa. Na Kotoko team na alande e o KNUST. Pajo. No nsia e bo pa o si maduasa. Very early in the morning. Wow. And one eburum eho. Now the training program has been communicated to the boys. They know. And on WhatsApp platform so near no. Yes, so at the kai omo eho. Etimran chen enim. Se womo hani eko hani Asia, and because they are at one place. And one is a team bus driver no. E two bus na. No ne ya kire ba bia ye kwa training no. Etiano pay abusiom ko hia mu ewo Pajo na Eric Tinkler minim say owo special training ewo physical conditioning any idea or yeah a preseason yapani quite different and mbabe chichim e dia kire wo awie dia mranche be say training pacho say on by morning afternoon with the preseason, honey, a year conditioning in your manji, on by more training. Say season proper na start here. I want to ABR, Uber game Sunday, Monday, no by recovery. Tuesday, no more acquire the correction in your manama about the previous day, no. After a free Wednesday, equal Thursday, no. No more tactics, I'm going to go about the next game. But where there, a preseason of any assassin, 80 absorb training, normally. And ka preseason, assassin say, a ka ball work and shadan come. Normally preseason is just say ya nanka your physical conditioning no. Yeah. But met maka as a coach no or a hybrid preseason at the Asante Kotoko players no. A combination of the physical conditioning and ball work. Wow. And I'll explain to you as answer masu say akwa ball and community just ape na me di emunchire mu no adi amount. Etienne Bram Ranger be PM ewo Pajo no. Or most of the work clubs upon your moya no. Yenhwiri yenyina yenrane yenkomra sa. Na going forward coach ne be yade bi. On betimi akona buzapanyi. O ma ye conditioning na be 30 minutes. Omu wie ya no ma ye ball work 30 minutes. Okay. No ma sa be conditioning e bia 20. No ma break ma ko ball work. Sa na wonom ebeye. Me refia ya ka me se me kire de ntia coach na eye sa de no. Okay. Enti womo eye more of the physicals. Na anytime womo eye physicals no more no. Abuso mo ba Pajo. Okay. Anytime abuso mo ye more physical works no. Ball work no eye less a womo ba Pajo. Se womo eye more ball work a womo wa dakojache. Tiano pay na KNUST Pajo awie womo e wa dakojache wo. Okay, sir, me be video bi ma. Mo Shabana Dama and me nya video say Dama Tinkler ebedru ye no. Yeah. Omo Legon Park na so. Na mpanyfo din ko say bia nka Kotoko ko ho. Akwa ye preseason no e de atoso ho. Okay. But Eric Tinkler and Stanley Menzo omo nya comfortable with University of Ghana Legon pitch no. Equality no. Wow. Omo nya comfortable with it. But Sekotoko every Kumasi after 2 weeks be 3 weeks be ekobe before Japan ma enya wonwa so me ko be before akoto preseason so e de efro last year so be kaya omo sase Kumasi ena wonum eko MZ Cape Coast ena mfiri no mbese ko South Africa yeah ena mba na ombeto aso from sa ko share Eastern region because na Africa no so aduru a omo ekoye no eti locations they betimi are different based on paying the omo any quality of facilities, especially pitch or more penal wamo egusu nemum and pay rancher eco ye physicals na enye asam keto akra ehun emfo yini bi na Asante Kotoko media na dama post ye ewo wamo social media handles na yenso oba ye page yi so a ye yi e de echo so ene de no na a physical conditioning more than ball work. Nice. Awie awa dakoja ache wono on by ball work but still on by physicals no say the make no coach na combine the two a hybrid ade and way abja panyi now obi bebu say ada na coach ne eye ne sabi because maka say ideally enke start here ye amerikatuo na ne ye gym work na ye condition ranche no say maka no minim say ha no ya bi omunya bi but enka elsewhere obekwa obegina yi so yi Saudi in China, you shall not omonam no mudi jiska omo say check your weight. Ye jina so kwa yan kai number ni nya no but ye cheska na wo mo age e de afri o nti abusua odu wani akire ma check your weight no esan ka plus yi be ko mo yesa check your weight in fact friend no your physical vitals no e ko mo pick physical vitals na nanka omo to so e free based on the physical vitals na player bia be man no o free fie ba ye be san aye biem etie ye biem ne hu se pepe ko no na oye 78 owe 78 o ba ye wadru 85 physical instructor no e wa djuma obeye e de afa ho enso e wo a enya secretary so that is what one eguso amtapanyi wo mo eye ho djuma eno enye asem keto akra eno akoso e wo ewie yi etoso ewo adakoja chepchepanyi enye asem keto akra now yanko na yentoso emfafiri a enanu mbeka cho se ye twen de Asante Kotoko ebe communicate ade ababonten na based on their official communique we will be in a position to say the Kotoko kan kwose de se ko anase enye sa na ekro awie ya na Asante Kotoko executive chairman what ensem kakra ade atoja buzapanyi
Mr. James
Osei Brown
the shop
ya awie ya enti ya na normally asemo ehia me pa na asemo buzapanyi momfa nto ba bi ye mfama me ye season asena se ensentro for statistics based on the communicated intent any baby a wonam no you are deviating nyade na so be na aye na say mama is pressure bi ama yen ye na dey team especially supporters in the beka and it say officially if say panyi or that team na no panyi ono enya communicated the team ne person mo ya in fact eno ne de centroni o supporter o de o ya against o ube gina so aka say Kotoko no bend your person o ye no anasa Kotoko no deviate number before
nice one.
The expectation is that we want you to win us the league and then take us to where all of us want us to be. You have our full support. The expectation is that we want you to win us the league and then take us to where all of us want us to be. You have our full support. The Epesia yan say obeji league na maye. Na de akoba bi ejina Epesia kwa no yanka Africa
wachi.
O se league na maye na agi wi afa akoba bi a nyina Epesia ko. Ba bi nyina Epesia ko na Africa no.
Okay.
Ne eta wachi de ohia bia no ye de bema wo. Once the board chair has communicated this, Eric Tinkler, target Kotoko asset chairman ne say only Ghana Premier League ne babebo no. Ghana Premier League ne babebo no. Say board chairman ye no say the expectation is say obabebo atete nkura na develop omo na fe in the medium term ne agi league ne dominate na fe Euro Africa could ne hu say we dey say the expectation is obegi league and maka cho say Kotoko even when they don't communicate it, a club like Asante Kotoko, hearts of folk, the minimum expectation is a league na ya boni FA Cup una esa oje.
Yeah.
And Bortey man making a clear way, a crystal clear. Enti abtapanyi.
Yes.
Asama Bortey man dia bay. You better discuss it. You dey come na be discuss it on its own.
Okay.
The target for coach, you know, clear. Enti baba abaye ho adwuma.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Yan toss na yenya adwuma no.
Fantastic.
Yan toss na yenya adwuma no.
Nice one.
They said the enkomodie na sase a ekoso about players no and make my catch say enra meet a course between the director of football Stanley any coach no. As a coach no e sham na nche no. Obia na coach no o take note pa Kabiru mamba bia aso wo choro no. O ya no atworo na de ato. O ya no atworo na de ato.
Yes.
Coach no ebusa ma we sorry no abondin Pepe Suarez foreign news presenter abusua panyin Samia Champion host jomo keka wie na no who said there's a gap was center backs in him.
Okay.
Enti we ayi sorry Zakaria Fuseni sorry no bondi Zakaria Fuseni center back. Musa Hamzata center back. After mo maka center back sem emma.
Okay.
It clearly coach no ane director of football no. Omo edi nkomo on center backer. And a center backs on Asante Kotoko. Ideally you need 3 center backs to prosecute a league campaign.
Yeah.
Ideally. So what youth team players there was a penny would be top 3 or 4. Now the youth team players you know I back up at their mom. A brain more den bar no to sa at their free youth team players no. And a brain more phone so bar nya be ade ade ne dem grana bebo. Yes, starting league match. Said they got konya be chem she ni nsia wa ha no. First half wa she num near boss second half do 75th minute. Utimi de nkwada no eba no ma be experience of playing in the league.
Yeah.
Enti abusua pensa me champo.
Richard
And come about Asante Kotoko. Center back, central defense no. Aba abitodwa. Abusua yemfa ehun nsem no. Emfa ema yen ahwefo. Now a branch of the David Opafrane, a former Hartford player. I used former in inverted commas. Since a branch of the contract with Hartford. David Opafrane. David Opafrane camp no a bit more I express interest based on encomodia of course I got to connect they said David you know. But as usual, every Ghanaian player and modern Swani no deal any of the African countries will push away from the Ghana Premier League. Enti Ghanaian player be and modern Swani be a nyanko abonten. And me no ka say e idea David Opafrane or her contract be him from outside of Ghana.
Okay.
We David Opafrane free wa. A branch be see a kind Adema Karela United. Or a former Real Tamale United a player. Nidino ay Faisal Kabiru Dino ma munfu amanti Faisal bibi. Osi akadema Karela. Or a center back. No, Faisal Chaute striker. I will see a kind of nations or carbon tiawaba.
Okay.
Where ye Faisal? Is it Gariba? Faisal Gariba. Say I didn't know Kwechila Kofaba. But check mami. It's Karela center back of the pain. Asante Kotoko. Sporting director ni coach ni nyinano. Wamo interested so me nyasa boy no munya on pepa.
Okay.
Omunya wonom epepa. Answer me be catch you say Kotoko ewo interest ewa branch bia ni din ade Claud shooting Bortey. Talk Claud shooting Bortey. Claud shooting Bortey esi akan ade ma young apostles.
Yeah.
Bortey shooting or share goals miensa last season. Ni na obo shot free chire. Tini din shooting no. Olivi up to shooting na buja. He's also another player. Oye on the Kotoko radar. Kotoko foninya. Enka place bi abuja panyi o ma perform ye. Na bi o mo rival clubs o mo pe but enkomodie ne ya na obi atia o na ze kwako pe ayi kavo SB ehun sim bibiri oba ha asem ne Kotoko sem no ti wo mu yenhwe options foforo. Yenhwe options foforo. Unya Gariba no. Oni on. Just ma twa on dina no ano. Okay, Faisal Gariba. Musa oye Black Galaxies or a player for Black Galaxies. Now my test honorable Haruna Idris ready to trade with Kotoko ready so on Kotoko be a branch in Huja.
Wow.
Kotoko for interested in Faisal Gariba. Take it from here, Mr. Penny. Kotoko for interested in Claud shooting Bortey. Claud shooting Bortey. And we interested in a branch. Coach here ready say youth team players Kotoko our branch did Ali Muhammad Kotoko youth team no Ali Muhammad ɔno na busapanyin mɛtuma ka kyerɛ sɛ obenya promotion abɛka senior team no if Kotoko enya a deal bi a bɛtumi nakɔ abɔnten a Ali Muhammad a ɔyɛ Kotoko youth team player no officially ɔmbɛ promote no ɛna ba senior team ɔyɛ center back eti Kotoko could go baako deɛ okay ɔno kɔ asɛ ka block anka Kotoko ampam na nka ne contract na wu ɛna Samba so deɛ wu ɛna enua nso so 3 years no so aso eti Kotoko ɛbɛpɛ 5 center backs ɛna ɔmo de prosecute next season campaign no mienu ana miensa ɔmo pɛ o market no so baako ana mienu ɔmo bɛpɛ ɛde afiri youth team no mu Kotoko youth team no ɔmo bɛpɛ Ali Muhammad ɛne ebi mu afirim ɛde aka ho a wɔn ɛde bɛwura mu but metuma ka kyerɛ sɛ head coach na ka kyerɛ director of football ne sɛ preseason ahyɛ ase no ɔmpɛ so ɔbɛyɛ preseason na kɔ animu ansana ebi mu aba bɛka ho. Our midfield, and let me explain to you why. And we know why special training.
Wow.
Why individual training. Player to say Walid Fusay the preseason very far and Sana Ebimu Ababekano Esana as a just over with you so you. So he wants as early as possible.
Yes.
So benya
Full
center backs no ediomo aye ni preseason. Abjapanyi. Now this is the reason why a coach I decided to say oh yeah a hybrid preseason. Me catch us say me refiaka me amaka.
Yes.
Kotoko team na wo sisi here no. Omo decided say coach na emfa ni enhwem ranche closely. Na de opede de ompede omo mu hu. The adwuma no ho a ɛsɛ yɛ ho adwuma no ɔmo hu.
Okay.
So after 3 weeks of the preseason, coach will present a report at the ama the director of football Stanley. Director of football ebe share the executive chairman amama kwa kodi nkomo. In terms of pension, ɔmo physical conditioning kwa. Mrantia no boss 70 years.
Oh, okay.
Uza tamana ya bo ya ICC po ball. Uzo mo nya de no yakase ngo twadua mesi pom na fast power.
Yes.
Because no nim say born ya de born bon kwa ha selection fa no. Etu on na si po no na ye say ye kodo park no kodo bi. E ya na ye de no hu mo bro ne amana bobi. E bia na player bia ba physical self Japan obey serious. But about born no ball no form. Coach ni team for 3 weeks and 2 weeks anya physical conditioning. Na on ball no aspect no. So because the coach is expected to, as it were, do an assessment or by evaluation of the players. It will a monitoring, assessment and evaluation. And a coach in here. And he combine ball work with physical conditions. Said by a coach, he will be in a position to say, I was a penny boy here. Pepe did Debbie. I will chili. You can't see a baby who may be chance that will pay you to be a piece of it will be a bear Munyana. Namunkofa Wimbra, Namunyasi. So the reason and the secret why Kotoko, Coach Eric Tinkler, a hybrid preseason, i.e., physical condition and ball working.
Yes.
And they say, or some rantian ball working, so I recommend this way. In fact, Kotoko bet my ball training game within the first 2-3 weeks of the preseason. Training games.
Wow.
This is the secret. Ama one a preseason said omo esi eyen no. I'm just press example. Enra Emmanuel Ntwi ya hu no ho. Morfin Donzo ya hu no ho. Obre no Cobra oba. Memo latest update on sa players yi na ya to so e de free. Abusua pani Same Echampo.
Richardo Pepe Suarez, the original fella man. And what's in Kano? Yes, I am 87. Ponene from Wasifilo fella. The people are Nima